magandang pinakita ni Dwight, he will probably get extension sa Japan. But sabi din naman niya, di ba, he put it on record na option din naman ng PBA. Pero problema lang, which team can afford him? Kasi mahal yun eh. He's not gonna take a pay cut. Why would he? Limited ang, kasi mga fans, they would say like, hey, take ka ng pay cut kasi basta mas no. I do not love the idea of players taking a pay cut kasi limited yung career mo pa eh. Di ba? Paano kung ma-injured ka? Di ba?
Dwight Ramos,
You have to make,
Mm.
you have to make the most.
So, ibig sabihin, automatic.
Yan ang tinatawag nila. So, for any team to acquire Dwight Ramos, it would take a whole lot of financial gymnastics. Diba?
Okay, gets.
Kasi the highest paid player sa PBA, as I was told, Junmar Fajardo, 1.5 million daw. So, Dwight Ramos would be in that level. Mga 1.2 siguro. Hindi, mahina na yung 1 million kay Dwight. And deservedly so.